This is a shirt cutting. All part cutting is done. I explained to you. This is the front, cut 2. This is the sleeve, cut 2. This one is shoulder yoke, cut 2. And this one is back on fold. And this is the collar, cut 2 piece, cut 4 piece, with seam allowance. And this one is also cuff is collar is cut 2 with seam allowance, and cuff is cut 4 with seam allowance. This is a sleeve placket, this is a sleeve under placket, this one is front placket, cut 2, this one is pocket. All the thing is done. And cuff and collar I am going to fuse with fuse. Right now I am using lightweight fusing. I show you. This is a collar band. I am using this one fusing upper side. Now I am going to fuse first collar. You can put both parts together. You see both parts together. You can fuse like this. After that, I can use the collar band. Okay. And same fuse. After fusing, you can fold 1 centimeter cuff like this. Only 2 parts you fold like this. Okay. And same fold collar band, but only 1 part fold, 1 centimeter fold. Okay. hope you understand. This is a collar band, and you fold like this. Your collar and your cuff is done, and now I'm going to fold front placket. This is the two placket, one right side and one for the left side, and now I'm going to fold like this. Okay. Folding part should be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and with margin is 4 centimeter. The fabric folding is 3 centimeter and total with margin 4 centimeter. And same placket folding this one. Okay, my both placket is done, and now I'm going to making the sleeve placket. This is the sleeve placket. On the pattern is already showing seam allowance, or you can fold according to pattern. I am also fold according to pattern. You can fold both sides together. Folding, you can less than 1 centimeter, around 1 point less in 1 centimeter. Okay, and same fold. After the folding, you can fold point like this. And same fold point another placket. point is, when you're making the point, it is little bit tricky, but it's not big deal. I think you can do it. And after I need 1 centimeter proper margin here for stitching. Yeah, you see, this is seam allowance. This my placket is I cut little bit fabric here. It is around, is less than 2 centimeter. This point or that point is 2 centimeter. Here to here. Placket is done, sleeve placket is done, and now I am making the pocket. First you have to fold like this. Already in the pattern notches, you can follow the notches. This fold is around 1 centimeter, and after that you can fold like this. Okay. Now I am going to making pocket 5 inches wider, and 5.5 inches longer. This is my 5.5 inch longer. This length is 5.5, width is 5 inches, and this side length is around 4 by 4. Doesn't matter, you have already pattern on the mark. You can follow the pattern mark, it's better for you. After iron work, you can cut the seam allowance less than 1 centimeter. Okay, because I am making the 40 size measurement, 40 size chest shirt. This you have all the size, you have already all the size pocket in the pattern. Okay, so your pocket is done, sleeve placket is done, collar is done. I hope your iron work is 99% is done, and now I am going to start stitching shirt. Okay, let's start.